This tiny engine has no business feeling this good. A 1-liter turbo, 3 cylinders. You'd think it would feel like driving a lawnmower, but here's what nobody expects. This thing actually moves. The 1-liter T-GDi engine makes 100 horsepower and 172 newton-meters of torque. On paper, that's nothing special, but slam the throttle and it lunges forward like something twice its size. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 10.5 seconds. Not sports car territory, but way quicker than you'd guess from a 1-liter engine. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission snaps through gears like it's proving a point. Here's where it gets interesting. Most small crossovers feel like they're straining to keep up with traffic. This one feels eager. The turbo kicks in around 1,500 revolutions per minute, and suddenly you've got shove. It's like the engine forgets it's tiny. The steering is weighted like something from a hot hatch. Direct, responsive. You turn the wheel, and the car just goes where you point it. No lag, no second guessing. And the ride? Firm enough to feel connected to the road, but it doesn't punish you over rough pavement. It absorbs bumps without feeling floaty. But here's the part that really surprised me. The tech inside this thing matches cars costing way more. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The 8-inch touchscreen responds instantly. No waiting, no freezing. You get automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a driver attention warning system. That's safety tech you'd find in cars twice the price. And Kia backs it with a 7-year warranty. Not 3 years. 7. That's 150,000 kilometers of coverage. The cabin feels bigger than it should. 5 doors, comfortable seats up front. 352 liters of boot space with the seats up. 1,155 liters with them folded. Enough room for a weekend trip without playing Tetris with your luggage. But let's talk about what this actually costs to run. Fuel economy sits around 5.4 liters per 100 kilometers. That's over 40 miles per gallon in real-world driving. For a crossover that actually moves, that's impressive. Top speed? Around 179 kilometers per hour. Probably won't matter for most people, but it's there if you need it. Now here's the reality check. This isn't trying to be a luxury SUV. The interior is functional, not fancy. Hard plastics in places where pricier cars use soft-touch materials. But everything works. Everything feels solid. And here's the kicker. 30,700 Swiss francs. For a turbocharged crossover with a 7-speed dual-clutch, wireless connectivity, serious safety tech, and a warranty that outlasts most relationships. That's less than most competitors charge for way less equipment. So yeah, this car makes more sense than it should. And speaking of things that make no sense, next time we're looking at an EV that charges faster than your phone and costs less than you'd think. You're gonna want to see this. Drop a comment if you'd actually consider this Stonic for your next car. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.